This bar chart shows the average sentiment score for each product feature based on customer reviews. The sentiment scale runs from 1, very negative, to 5, very positive. Key insights from the graph. Top performing features. Software update, 4.93, extremely well received. Customers are highly satisfied with Samsung's software updates and improvements. UI experience, 4.69. The interface is smooth, user-friendly, and customizable with minimal complaints. Display, 4.62. Vibrant AMOLED screen with excellent brightness and clarity. Strong but slightly lower ratings. Processor, 4.40. Fast and reliable performance, good for multitasking. Camera, 4.33. Great photo-video quality, especially in daylight. Additional features, 4.29. Extra functions like IP rating, stylus support, etc. appreciated. Sound, 4.15. Clear and loud speakers, though bass could be better. Build quality, 4.07. Premium feel, sturdy design. Average, needs improvement. Gaming experience, 3.46. Smooth in most games, but heating and battery drain are common complaints. Battery, 3.16. Adequate for moderate use, drains quickly with heavy usage. Charging, 3.10. Decent speed, but not industry leading. Some dislike missing charger. Weak points. Network reception quality, 2.67. Reports of dropped signals and inconsistent network strength. Bugs, 2.43. Most negative feedback. Issues like random crashes, lag after updates, and heating problems. Overall interpretation. The strengths are clearly in software updates, UI, display, and performance. These features are driving positive sentiment. The weak links are bugs, network issues, battery, and charging, which pull down the overall user experience.
This chart shows the overall sentiment distribution from all reviews rated on a scale of 1, very negative, to 5, very positive. Breakdown 5 stars, 224 reviews, 49.2%. Nearly half the reviewers gave the phone the highest rating, showing strong satisfaction overall. 4 stars, 112 reviews, 24.6%. A significant share found the product very good, but with some room for improvement. 3 stars, 64 reviews, 14.1%. Mixed feelings. Users see both strengths and weaknesses. 2 stars, 24 reviews, 5.3%. Dissatisfied customers. Specific issues likely impacted their experience. 1 star, 31 reviews, 6.8%. Highly negative experiences, possibly due to major problems like bugs, network issues, or battery life. Overall interpretation, positive sentiment dominates. Around 73.8%, 4-star and 5-star combined, of reviews are clearly favorable. Moderate neutral sentiment, about 14.1% rated at 3 stars, reflecting a balance of pros and cons. Negative sentiment, only 12.1% rated at 1 star or 2 stars, indicating a smaller segment facing major issues. Thoughtful, nearly 3 out of 4 buyers absolutely love the S24 FE, but there's a small but vocal group facing real frustrations, mostly around bugs, battery, and network reception.